Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers at the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. Yes, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel is all about saving life, and that's our main priority here. Yes, we are not beholden to any political parties in Jamaica or anywhere, but we support the party or government who is willing to make Jamaican people's lives better, especially when it comes on to security. We would like to see the culture of the people change, by instilling these youths ethics, moral, decency, truthfulness, and to get rid of all the muck and this culture erosion that has been taken over and infiltrate our people's mind in Jamaica. You understand? So, that's what we're all about here, reading, and these youths need to read more. So, we are all about saving lives here at the channel, at the Jamaica Young Police channel. But some lives are not worth saving. They have lived a parasitic life and were not contributing citizens to the society. Hence, we'd like to find a way to get rid of them by any means necessary. The Jamaica Young Police channel is not for criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, beneficiaries, sympathizers, excuse specialists, and head hunchers in criminal underworld. At the channel, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we aid criminals with a passion. Yes, especially the criminal police officers. Yes, if you're following up the latest development in Jamaica, you can see that, a little 8-year-old girl, her name is Danielle Rowe, that she was killed by a Jamaican woman last week. Yes, and guess what? The killer is right in Jamaica, and in Jamaica among Jamaican people, and they're protecting the killer. Yes, but yet still, this is the country that they say that they love kids, and anytime police kill a killer, a murderer, even blind people in Jamaica see. But this woman who had killed this 8-year-old girl, no one knows her, no one sees anything. But when the police kill criminals, people who kill other people, even the blind see. So we just want you, our loyal viewers and subscribers, to you watch, you listen, and you decide to this reporting from one of our esteemed journalists in Jamaica, and then we get back and continue the journey.
This is #1 Roosevelt Avenue, and this is where little Danielle Rowe was taken and her throat slashed after she was picked up from her school by a female in Brayton, St. Catherine. Now, it's an abandoned building, but it would appear as if a car wash was in operation here sometime before. But let's take a look inside to see what obtains at the moment. The compound is overgrown with shrubs, signaling it's not been occupied for some time. But inside some of the rooms, pieces of cardboard and clothing on the floor. Enough evidence to suggest that persons have been sleeping here. The front of the derelict building is unfinished. On a point of clarity now, we've been hearing that little Danielle was thrown from a vehicle by her abductors. Now that didn't actually happen. What transpired was it appears as if she was trying to elude her abductors and ran to the gate here outside, where we're now seeing specks of blood on the sidewalk here. Now it could mean that she stood here for a little while and was bleeding before she ran out into the road and bumped into the back of a car driven by a member of the Jamaica Defense Force. He took her to hospital in a bid to save her life. We were also told that when she came outside, she had her backpack on. We searched the entire premises looking for signs which could possibly indicate where on site the 8-year-old's attackers cut her throat, but we found none. Now looking around and knowing very well that this is the very building where little Danielle was taken and her abductors mercilessly slashed her throat, sends chills down my spine. It's not a very good feeling being here with all that knowledge. The police say they continue to search for Daniel's attackers and are asking the public for help.
You may contact us at NIB tip line 811, Crime Stop 311, or you can call Police 119 with any information you have. No matter how simple you may think it is, we need to know.
Kirk right here at Roosevelt Avenue for TVJ News.
Yeah, so, we give thanks to that report from Kirk Wright at TVJ in Jamaica. He's one of our esteemed reporters down there. So, the police in Jamaica is seeking woman in Daniel's murder case. And you can see right there, if you look on your LCD, you look at the below, you'll see this woman, she's being protected by the Jamaican community in Jamaica. And you know that Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. And the reason why we say that Jamaica is a criminal's paradise, anywhere in the world that people are wanted by the police, they always find themselves there. And whenever their money they run out of money, that's when the people, the Jamaican people turn over the person who's fleeing from justice. Yes, it doesn't matter where. We have seen the people who killed the Asian presidents. So over a year ago, they were found in Jamaica. Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. We have seen where a plane crashed in Rocky Point, St. Clarendon, and all of the occupants were able to leave Jamaica. So that's how it is in Jamaica. Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. We have seen a man who was wanted in Jamaica for almost 21 years, and he was visible in the country running taxi. Yeah, that's how it is in Jamaica, because in Jamaica it's a criminal's paradise, because guess what? The people there protect criminals. The only time they turn on criminals is when the criminals turn on them or the criminal is out of funds. Yes, that's why we do not want them around us wherever we are living. If you're a law-abiding citizen, you do not want to live around these people. Yes, and some people would say that I'm not anti-Jamaican, I am pro-Jamaican. I just want the mindset of the people to change, because the people are corrupted on God's earth. As a woman, as a mother, as a sister, as a cousin, as a brother, as a father, as a neighbor, know that this woman is the person who killed this little girl, and your community is giving her protection, shelter, comfort, finance from the authority. And then you're talking about you love children. Yeah, all of you, all of you people who are protecting this woman are criminals, supporters, enablers, and beneficiaries of crimes. And all of you are criminal-minded people. But not because this little girl is not your child. You can't have empathy, or sympathy, or any form of compassion in your heart, and say that this child could have been my relative, or my daughter, or my cousin, my niece. No, because you people are some heartless people and evil. So we continue the journey. So the police seek help in locating a woman in Daniel Rowe murder probe. They say the woman can assist investigators with information relating to the death of the 8-year-old schoolgirl. Anyone with information on her whereabouts is being asked to contact Alpha 3 Police Station at 876. That's the area code for Jamaica. I don't know if they use the area code to dial, because the last time when I was in Jamaica, just a few days ago, I did not use, I just used my phone because it was roaming, you understand, and WhatsApp, 926-8145/5. So police investigators on Monday disclosed that they have video footage of the child in the company of a woman in an area close to where she was found with her throat slashed. However, Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey said the video quality is inferior. That meaning, it's poor. You can see everything, but it's a lady, he told the Gleaner. Daniel, who is the daughter of a cop, died at the Bustamante Children's Hospital on Saturday, almost 2 days after she was abducted outside her school. She was rushed to the hospital after her nearly lifeless body was found in East Kingston community of Vineyard Town on Thursday, according to police. But how did they get there? Where's the vehicle that took them there? You understand? So she's not the only person. Bailey said investigators believe Daniel was picked up by the woman at Brayton Primary, an infant school in Portmore, St. Catherine. It is unclear how they traveled, but the video showed Daniel and the woman near Roosevelt Avenue, the National Stadium. That's here in St. Andrew. Police investigators have the video footage of slaying 8-year-old Daniel Rowe in the company of the woman in an area close to where she was found with her throat slashed. A top official has confirmed. And they said that the video footage, it's poor. You understand? It's not it's not that good, but with technology they can enhance it and make it crystal clear. Because all they have to do is just ask for help from the American. Uncle Sam always have everything. You understand? So, Daniel, her father is a policeman, and we can see, that the person who's involved in the killing of this little girl, first, what they did, I show you a criminal operating. They put up the father's photograph, yes, the little girl's father's photograph, and want to point finger at him that he's responsible for his child's death, and he had something involved, and they had sent out a voice note with all kind of lies that the father this and the father that. So that's why you don't respond. You see, whenever people are saying things on the internet without any facts, you don't share it, because that's how propaganda work. You understand? And I tell people all the time, that's why we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, not because we hear something, we run with it. We have to validate it that it's correct. You understand? At the Jamaica Young Police Channel. So that's how propaganda is working, and these criminals, they know what they're doing, because they know that Jamaican people are gullible and they are criminal minded, and they know that they hate the police. So once the father, you just starts, make up things about the policeman. You understand? And I tell you, they put some despicable thing about the same policeman, the child's father. You understand? Imagine losing a child, and the criminals who's responsible for the death of your child, they have created a narrative out there that you are responsible. You saw these people are wicked and heartless, but that's how people work, when they want to smear your character and your good name. So we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we know how to handle things like this, because you see, when people say things about you that are not true, it doesn't even make sense for you to answer, because for you to answer them, you're giving validation to their lies. And only lies need validation. The truth don't need any validation. You understand? And the voice note that was sent out is a woman. So Jamaican women, are some evil people, So we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we have experienced the same thing with people, women, using their voice, and we just can't wait for our day in court. You understand? Yes, we can't wait for our day in court, and even you understand, we can't wait for that, because Jamaican people are just evil. It doesn't matter where they are living in this world, and you just need to stay far away from them. Just listen to their mindset. You understand? But we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we want the informers out in their numbers to identify this woman who's responsible for the death of Daniel Rowe. Daniel Rowe is the daughter of a police corporal who works at 100-man police station. Who would know in this day and age that somebody would go to a school and take out a child and kill her in Jamaica? Or will reach this point? But it won't take long for you to realize or reach this point, because there are people in Jamaica who are making crazy money from this. Yes, you understand? People are making crazy money from the killing of other Jamaicans because of what is happening there. Because in Jamaica it's a criminal's paradise. All people have to do, just work with the criminals. And once you work with the criminals, it's in time to turn on you. That's when they find out that there's no honest criminals. But we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we want justice for this little girl. And we already at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we do believe in preemptive strike, because it saves life. But in this case, we want all the participants who were involved in the killing of this little girl to be brought to justice. This woman, she's evil. She's the epitome of evil. And for someone to slit a little baby throat, a little 8-year-old girl's throat, in this day and age, you have to be an heartless bastard. But we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we love and we celebrate informers, because informers are good people. They are the ones that help to protect our communities. we don't like people who are not informer. We love informers. And we want justice for this little girl so that, you know, the family can get closure. I could not imagine, you know, to experience something of this magnitude, where somebody go into a school and take out your child and kill them, and the child is innocent, the child haven't done anything. What's the reason for killing a little child? What joy do you get from that? But you know, in Jamaica, guess what? The killer is the victim, you know. Yes, because you're going to hear the activists them come out, you know. Yes, like what's her name? Michael Jackson and Dr. Caroline Gomes. They're becoming out in support of the killer against the victim's family. Yes, yes, and they're going to tell you that you know, you cannot be, you know, you cannot apply the death penalty to her because, you know, she's a woman and all kind of things, you know. That's what they would say, that she's a woman and she don't deserve the death penalty, and you know, she's a good person, and you know, she did not deliberately kill the girl. It's just an accident. That's how these people are. It's just an accident that you know, when you know, she was trying to use the knife to peel a mango, and it cut the little girl's throat, you know. And we're sorry about it, but look, she's already dead, so let us focus on who's alive. So that's all these people, you know, they bat for the killers. But you have to understand, you know, this is sometimes people pretend that they're your friend, they're your biggest enemy. Yes, because you have to understand, you know, you see this woman right here, she's the creator for Jamaican for Justice. Jamaican for Justice is a criminal organization that support criminality and give criminal a big voice in Jamaica. You understand? And it was funded by none other than the PNP LGBTQ plus party when, yeah, PJ Patterson was Prime Minister. So they gave us everything that's to destroy life. This woman, she got rich, you know, lobbying for gunmen who killed Jamaicans. Dr. Caroline Gomes. And then now, you know, after she was trying to, she and her cousin ran it with, they were trying to inject the LGBTQ plus curriculum into the school system. That is when, you know, she was busted by the Rasta Queen Africa, and guess what? Boy, the backlash that reached Queen Africa, you understand? So even at this juncture, she's telling us that, boy, Tony Rebbe don't even defend her, and which is sad. And because of Jamaican for Justice, we don't even, not even funerals are even safe anymore in Jamaica. Because the criminals, yes, the criminals, Jamaican for Justice, you know, never stop until they get income, what the PNP wanted from 1994. Jamaica is the only territory in the Caribbean, you know, that have income. And Jamaica have the highest crime rate in the region. So that goes to show you that, you know, you don't need any glasses to see that Jamaica is a criminal's paradise, you know. A man can kill 7 people and get 25 years in prison to come back to kill again. Where in the world that happened? Only in Jamaica, the criminal's paradise. And the blood of this little girl is on the shoulder of Dr. Caroline Gomes, Michelle Jackson, and the others who are there about their human rights activists. You're not human rights, you're parasites activists. You're criminal activists that supporting people, that killing other people. But just wait, we just can't wait for the same monster to visit your home and knock on your door and take as much as they want. You understand? Because you people are evil. How on God's earth you can be supporting somebody who is willing to kill another human being, and you're talking about that person's right? What about the victim's right? Any society, no society not supposed to be looking out for the rights of any criminals. From you violate the rights of somebody else, even Stevens, you're coming out about victim's right. That is what you're supposed to be saying. It's a victim's rights. We're supposed to be talking about, not a criminal rights. Criminals should not have any rights. So we at the Jamaica Young Police Center, we are imploring our loyal viewers and subscribers in Jamaica to inform on this woman. We love inform on her. Please, we want her out. We want her out publicly and so that she can give up her handlers. Because we know that she's not the only person, because she had to have help. People in the community where the little girl was killed saw her after the police, after they took the little girl to Bustamante Children's Hospital. And I hope that these people, Dr. Carolyn Gooms and Michael Jackson, I hope you guys can sleep tonight, because the blood of this little girl is on your shoulder. And remember, you know, don't think that you people will get away, you know, because the sins of you will go and follow your second and third generation, because you are the people that unleash these parasites on the Jamaican people. And we just can't wait for it to visit you guys, because you guys are evil, the epitome of evil. We have zero sympathy for criminals and their supporters. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.